Hi Major! What a beautiful weather today! Lovely! I came back from work and instead of making pakode all the time in this beautiful weather, I've decided to cook something different today. It's my first time cooking this recipe. I've seen it on internet. I'm trying. Stay with me. Let's cook together. I'll give you my honest review on how it tastes. Stay with me. Let's get cooking.
Jay, was you going to make a video of you eating
Here we have this final dish. How does it look?
it? Looks so yummy. I want to try it.
I know, me too. I can't wait. Let's see how it tastes now.
And of course, we have our jar.
Oh, yum. Which one is yours?
I think that one. Extra sugar.
Extra sugar and low sugar.
Yeah, that one's mine.
Okay, I'm gonna try this first.
Okay, go.
You or me?
You go first.
I go first.
The whole
First?
thing?
No, I'm gonna have a bite.
Okay.
First bite.
Is it good?
Oh my god, the flavors! You gotta try.
Okay.
It might be spicy for you, but it's really good.
That's so good.
Wow, I'm so happy. Wow, I'm gonna have the whole thing.
Oh,
Mmm.
that's really good. It's not too spicy. I can handle that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's
Really,
yum.
really good.
Have a lot to share now.
I wanted more spicy, but yeah,
It's
it
good
is
for me.
spicy because of the chili paste. But it's really nice. Try more?
Yeah, that was good.
So we'll divide. How many do we have?
Oh.
We share equally.
Half.
So guys, you need to try this recipe. This was my first time. I saw this on internet as well, but wasn't sure if I was going to make this one day. Today the weather made me do this, so make sure you try. Not pakode all the time, try something
Yes,
different.
try this. It's really good.
And here's your tea.
Thank you.
Cheers. Yum, yum,
Very hot.
yum. Perfect combo.
Okay, now let's dig in.
See you next time.